Okay, so I'm going to go over Bitcoin real quick. This is the daily chart on the Coinbase exchange. Basically, what we're doing is we had a up move here, inverse head and shoulders, top, retracing back a little bit, and now we're back into support. Okay, so this is the area we want to watch. Everybody's watching 8,100 to let's call it 8,300. If this area right here breaks, then obviously we're coming back down, testing the lower Bollinger Band. That'll be around 7,900 to 8,000. Let's call it 7,800 maybe. So 7,800 if this area breaks, right? So let's watch this area very closely. This is key area support for Bitcoin. Let's go over to Ethereum. Same sort of thing, right? I had the resistance up here at the Fib cluster, 200-day moving average, big time resistance right up here. Now pulling back a little bit and retracing right back into support. Okay, so let's see how this support area holds. If it holds, then it could give it enough to get back and going in the right direction and possibly take out the 200-day moving average. So let's see what happens there. Let's go look at Litecoin. Nothing really to update here, guys. We already know, right? You have to get above this resistance zone, right? There's no other way to put it. You could sit here and trade this all day long, $5-6, whatever, but until it breaks this resistance zone, there is no reason to be bullish on Litecoin. Okay, bearish until this breaks. Let's go look at Digibyte. Digibyte still, it's just it does this, right? It just teases everybody to think that it's going to go higher, but then it breaks down. So let's see if this support area holds right here. And then if it holds, it's going to take a long time on Digibyte, right? I don't think this is going to be a one-day wonder. It's going to take a while. But eventually, at some point, maybe break this downtrend line. See what happens. Let's go look at XRP. After breaking that downtrend line, obviously coming back and testing, right here is some Fib cluster support. Right here, 2122. So this area right here is some support. What bulls want to see is get back above the 10 EMA, right? Let's get back above the 10 EMA. Right now, this is bearish, right? Until you can get back above the 10 EMA and these other EMAs, 20 and the 50, it's a bearish chart. There's no other way to put it, right? So let's see what happens there. Let's go look at XTZ. Another one that looked like it was going to break out, possibly, but the 61.8% retracement said no. Breaking it down and getting down to, let's call it the 20 EMA, right here at 146. Probably more than likely it's coming down to 141. 141 to 42, somewhere in that area is where it's most likely coming to. And then from there, we'll see what happens. Could possibly still break down to the 50 EMA, which is at 135. Or 138, actually. Let's go look at Link. Still holding up pretty well. All right. Had the nice break. Just pulling back a little bit. And then we'll see if it can make the nice journey up to the upside. All right. So the area to hold is right in this, let's call it 232 to 235 area. Below that, probably 226. That's the area to hold as well. Probably more major resistance there. Let's go look at Xerox. Xerox, pretty much same thing. Holding the 50% retracement here. Very possible if it breaks this area down here to, let's call it 209.209. So let's watch this. Maybe it holds this and then goes higher. Big time resistance right here at 25 cents. All right, guys, that's what I got for tonight. We'll check in tomorrow. Thanks.